Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are going to discuss ionic bond. In this topic we will discuss what is ionic bond, how an ionic bond is formed, in which elements do this bond form, and what is the example of ionic bond. So let's start the topic. What is ionic bond? It is a combination of two words. The word ionic means ions, which are charged species, and the word bonds means force of attraction. It is a type of chemical bond which is formed by the complete transfer of electron from one atom to another. Cations. Atom that loses electron from last shell and are positively charged, and anions are the atoms that gain electron in their last shell and are negatively charged ion. Formation of ionic bond. It is always formed between the metals and non-metals. The atom which loses electron becomes positively charged. The atom which gains electron becomes negatively charged. The electrostatic force of attraction is thus developed between the cation and anion. Such a force of attraction which unites the cation and anion together is known as the ionic bond. The formation of ionic bond in sodium chloride. The atomic number of sodium is 11 and the electronic configuration of sodium is 2, 8 and 1. It loses one electron from the last shell to become stable, and while losing one electron it becomes the cation. In this example you will see that sodium atom has one electron in their last shell, and when the sodium atom will loses this electron it becomes cation. The atomic number of chlorine is 17. Its electronic configuration is 2, 8 and 7. It gains one electron from sodium. Now it has 8 electrons in its last shell. It will gain one electron to become stable.